but not for long. They never will. Let the harbor hear us coming. Wake the docks with sound and drumming. Hey! Each pier will know us by the beat. Hey! Before it knows our tired feet. Twist! Oh, sing it now, sing it. Cold. Hey! 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 The gulls will scream, the bells will cry, and the town will know the reason why. No quiet return for crews like these. We bend the port to our degree. Oh. Hey! If walls still stand by morning light, they'll hum our songs by second night. Oh,
When waves grow tall and breath grows thin, we sing not out, but deep within. Low voices keep the ship afloat, hold the dark inside the throat. The ceilings close to hear us fail. She tests the hush inside the gale. Too loud and she will bare her teeth. Too soft and she will steal our breath. So hum the line between the two, where fear survives and hope slips through. The hull replies in quiet tone, as if the ship, it itself in tones. And if we pass till morning light, it's low-held songs that won the fight.
Had its say. Now we take the breaking day. Morning belongs to the loud. Hey, hey, hey. Sing it clear, sing it proud. Hey, hey, hey. Let sleepers curse and gulls complain. Our songs have earned the sun again.
Rise and go!
No soft return from seas like these. We wake the world on bent back knees. Each echo climbs the waking air to tell the dawn we're still here. If land still dreams behind the bay, our voices drag it in today.
Hey, ho, rise and go!
to no command, but sings with those who understand. When time forgets both wrong and right, our songs will sail into the night. No kings, only songs. 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 Hey. 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 The harbor sleeps, the ropes lie still, but not for long, they never will. Let the harbor hear us coming. Wake the docks with sound and drumming. Each pier will know us by the beat before it knows our tired feet. Call, hear us now, sing it loud. The gulls will scream, the bells will cry, the town will know the reason why. No quiet return for crews like these, we bend the port to our degrees. If walls still stand by morning light, they'll hum our songs by second night. Called, hear us, harbor, hear us coming. Wake the docks with sound and drumming. Calls, hear us, mad, fear, wet,
waves grow tall and breath grows thin. We sing not out, but deep within. Low voices keep the ship afloat, hold the dark inside the throat. The sea leans close to hear us fail. She tests the hush inside the gale. She will bare her teeth. Too soft and she will steal our breath. So hum the line between the two, where fear survives and hope slips through. Replies in quiet tone, as if the ship itself intones. And if we pass till morning light, it's low-held songs that won the fight. No hands to clap, no eyes to see, just dark and salt and memory. Midnight chorus, no applause, only sea that knows the course. We sing not loud, we sing not proud, we sing because we are not drowned. No one hears but her. hear no borrowed rhyme.
If dawn should find us fewer men, this song will count us
Once again. The sea remembers who was here, not by our face, but what we feared.
So sing it true and sing it bare.
No applause, but still a prayer.
The quiet night had its say. Now we take the breaking day. Morning belongs to the loud. Sing it clear, sing it proud. Morning belongs to the loud. Sing it clear, sing it proud. Hey, hey, hey! Curse and ghosts complain. Our songs have earned the sun again. Hey, ho, rise and go! No soft return from seas like these. We wake the world on bent back knees. Each echo climbs the waking air to tell the dawn we're still here. Hey, ho, rise and go! Our voices drag it in today. Hey, ho, rise and go! No crown above, no chain below.
Crown above, no chain below.
We choose the winds we choose to go.
We choose the winds we choose to go.
No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. They rule with ink, with coin, with fear.
They rule with ink, with coin, with fear.
We rule the roar of voices here.
We rule the roar of voices here.
No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. The sea bows down to no command.
The sea bows down to no command.
But sings with those who understand.
But sings with those who understand.
When time forgets both wrong and right.
When time forgets both wrong and right.
Our songs will sail into the night.
Our songs will sail into the night.
No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings.
The tide and the pull it brings. No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings. No kings, only songs we sing. No law but the tide and the pull it brings.